Microsoft Begone. If you're tired of Windows 11's bloat, ads, and forced Microsoft logins, this video is for you. I'm switching my laptop completely to Linux Mint, and I'll show you exactly how you can too. Windows 11 has become more of a corporate trap than an operating system. It slows down your machine, eats up RAM, and constantly nags you with updates you didn't ask for. Linux Mint, on the other hand, is fast, clean, private, and just works. It gives you control over your system without any hidden data collection. It feels familiar, especially if you're coming from Windows, but runs smoother and lighter. You'll only need a laptop, an 8 GB USB stick, and a few minutes. Back up your important files to a hard drive or cloud before you start. Head over to Linux.com and download the latest Cinnamon Edition ISO. Then use a program like Balena Etcher or Rufus on Windows to write the ISO to your USB drive. Once it's done, reboot your laptop and open the boot menu. Usually by pressing F12 or F10, select the USB drive and boot into Mint's live mode. You can try it before installing anything, but when you're ready, click Install Linux Mint on the desktop. Choose your language, region, and keyboard layout. When it asks where to install, select Erase Disk and install Linux Mint if you want a clean start. Set your username and password, then sit back and let it install. It usually takes about 15 minutes. When it's done, remove the USB and reboot. You'll see the Mint login screen. The first thing to do is open the Update Manager and install all updates. Then go to Driver Manager to install any proprietary drivers, especially if you use NVIDIA graphics or special Wi-Fi chips. Open Time Shift and Setup System. Snapshot Sit can save your system if something breaks later. Turn on the firewall by running sudo ufw enable in the terminal. Now, let's make Mint your daily driver. Most essentials are already installed: Firefox for browsing, LibreOffice for documents, and VLC for videos, but you can easily add more. Use a software manager to install Spotify, OnlyOffice, GIMP, VS Code, or anything else you need. If you prefer terminal commands, type sudo apt install followed by the app name. You can also enable Flatpak and access FlatHub for even more software. To move your files, copy them from your backup into your new home folder. Set up Thunderbird for email or sync your accounts with IMAP. If you used one, you can install a clone or a free OneDrive client to sync your files again. If you face issues, don't panic. No Wi-Fi, open Driver Manager, or run sudo apt update and sudo apt install broadcom-sta-d kms for Broadcom chips. Got a black screen with NVIDIA. Boot with Noma Desechi, then install NVIDIA drivers. Printer not working. Go to Settings, Printers, or install HeapLip for HP printers. Almost every problem has a quick fix in the Mint forums or with a single terminal command. Once everything's set, you'll notice how fast your system feels. No more random updates, no telemetry, and no forced Microsoft account. You finally own your machine again. Apps open faster, your system uses less memory, and your battery lasts longer. And if you love customization, Mint gives you endless Freedom Themes icons, panels, and layouts. If you want me to make a full guide on dual booting or gaming setup with Steam, Proton, drop a comment. Like the video if this helped you escape Windows 11. Subscribe for more Linux tutorials. And remember, Microsoft Begone.